What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the no GPS signals or signal lost issue in hyperos. So first of all, to fix this issue, try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on the software version. Now from here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any available update, then update the phone software to the latest version, and after that the GPS issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open this settings app again. Now scroll down and tap on battery, and then tap on additional features. Now here you will see a speed up charging button, so tap on this button to turn it off, and after that it will help you to fix the GPS signals issue. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, open settings again. Now tap on about phone, and then scroll down and tap on factory reset. Now tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone will be deleted, including contacts, photos, videos, apps, everything will be deleted. So after that the GPS signals will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the no GPS signals or signal lost issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.